Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix. Today I'll show you how to adjust WhatsApp call volume on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now, locate the Change with Buttons option under the Ringtone and Alert section and enable it. This allows your volume buttons to control call volume. Next, go back to your home screen and open WhatsApp. Select any chat and tap the audio call icon at the top right corner to start a call. Once you're in the call, simply use the volume buttons on the side of your device. Press volume up to increase the call volume or volume down to decrease it. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your WhatsApp call volume. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClickFix for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.